You are welcome to the Lord TV, your number one fantastic reality TV that gives you all that it takes to be enlightened on trending news such as politics, entertainment, sports, and what have you. If you are new on this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button as well as already subscribed. So please don't forget to drop your comments anytime I drop new videos. Thank you. Ciao, ciao. Breaking news. ECOWAS court delivers final judgment on Nnamdi Kanu's petition against Nigerian government. The ECOWAS Court of Justice has dismissed a suit filed by Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, against the Nigerian government, alleging that he was tortured, assaulted, and subjected to inhuman treatment by security operatives when he was arrested in 2015. A report monitored on Vanguard newspaper by Niger News says the ECOWAS court, in a judgment read by Justice Dupe Atoki, held that the IPOB leader failed to prove his allegations against the Nigerian government. The ECOWAS court stressed that it had no reason to conclude that his arrest and detention were unlawful and arbitrary, as claimed. Niger News learned that the three members panel of the court sitting in Abuja, Nigeria's capital, on Wednesday, December 11th, also dismissed Kanu's request for monetary compensation. Though the court acknowledged that Kanu had the legal capacity to approve it to seek redress and any violation of his members' rights, however, held that without mandate, he lacked the legal personality to represent the IPOB before the court. The ECOWAS court thereafter struck out names of the second and third defendants, the Attorney General of the Federation and the Minister of Justice and the Director General of the Department of State Service, DSS, from the suit on the premise that they were not signatories to the ECOWAS revised treaty, thus leaving only the Federal Republic of Nigeria as the sole defendant in the suit. Niger News understand that the IPOB leader had in the suit marks ECW/CCJ APP/0616, which he filed before the court on March 3, 2016, through his lawyer Mr. Ifeanyi Ejiofor, claimed that his right to life, personal integrity, privacy, fair trial, freedom of movement, freedom of expression, personal liberty, freedom of association, private property, right to existence, and right to self-determination were violated following his arrest and detention by Nigeria security agents. Kanu also alleged that he was a victim of arbitrary arrest, detention, torture, inhuman and degrading treatment while in detention, insisting that federal government confiscated his personal belongings through its agents. The IPOB leader demanded monetary compensation in the sum of $800 million US dollars. However, Abdullahi Abubakar, a lawyer to represented the Nigerian government, prayed the court to dismiss the suit, which he contended lacked merit. Federal government argued that the country was obliged to enforce the rule of law as stipulated in its constitution, treaties, and protocol that included defending the sovereignty of an undivided Nigeria. Abubakar added that activities of IPOB were secessionist in nature, as it instigated a separationist agenda among the people of the country, Southeast and South-South region, using its Biafran radio. The lawyer to the Nigerian government further averred that acts of the plaintiff were intended to garner support for a war against the defendant and carve out a geopolitical area to be declared the Republic of Biafra. Consequently, Abubakar stated that the defendant initiated an investigation into the allegation against the plaintiff that led to his arrest and discovery of illegal firearms and radio transmitters in his possession, items he said pose security risks to the country. Nigerian News understands that the defendant also submitted that the plaintiff was investigated while in detention for offences of criminal conspiracy, managing and belonging to an illegal society, saying though he was granted bail, he was detained again or fresh charged that bordered on treasonable felony. The defendant told the ECOWAS court that although the plaintiff and some members of the IPOB had severally threatened the peace of the nation with their demands, it gave no orders to its agencies to kill members of IPOB, nor did any such killings occur. This online news platform understands that the Nigerian government stressed that it remained committed to upholding the rule of law while recognizing and protecting the fundamental rights of its citizens and all groups, including the IPOB. Meanwhile, Justice Edward Amoka, Asante, and Kaikura Bangura were other members of the ECOWAS court panel that upheld federal government position and dismissed Kanu's suit. Thank you for listening to this news. Viewers, what's your take on this news? Please don't forget, your comments concerning this news are of great importance. Don't forget to leave them behind. Click on the subscription buttons as well as bell buttons to receive more updates. Thank you.